I'm standing in front of the gazebo, showing the retrofit, right? Retrofit, how to retrofit the PyraTENT design to existing gazebo. Yeah, this is just you know, the pyramid shape. You got the pyramid top and just vertical four post. Yeah, that's and I'm gonna show you what I did, and then we'll continue from there. This is what I did. Basically, I removed the topsoil, and then, you know, in the center dig a relatively small hole. Smaller than the perimeter of the gazebo. I think it's roughly, by looking roughly, it's 2 feet. 2 feet or 2.5, something like that. And then I placed the pond liner on top of the bottom. And then I'm gonna use this blue barrel as the soap reservoir, and then I need to drill 4 holes because this will be where the bubble generator placed. They will be here. And then so the drain, you know, a pipe and connect to the bottom. So 4, you know, corners, right, over there and over there and over here. So you know, so I need to drill 2 holes on the bottom of the side. Yeah, I already have a hole, so I need to, you know, repair that hole. Plug it in or something, or use it, whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's important. I have to test whether there's leakage, because, you know, you don't want the soap in the barrel, you know, leak out, right? Even they leak out, that doesn't matter, but just we don't want that to happen, right? That's what it is. And that's what I'm going to do next. So as you can see, you have a heat storage area, right? And for that, we're going to build, dig deep, right, 2 feet down, and then place the soap reservoir inside this region. Once I connect all the drain pipes, right, and then test it for leakage, and once there's no problem, I'm gonna backfill with more gravel. Basically, the backfill will cover everything we see, so it's right flush with the grade, so that when I work inside, you know, there's no problem, right? No mud or something. Anyway, so it's clean, it's solid,